Consider you're working on any enterprise-based applications and you wanted to get REST API call from Jira to extract their properties, to extract their advanced settings, to extract the global settings which is applied in Jira Cloud. Definitely, you need authentications protocol and endpoints. In this video, we'll show you how you can call properties, advanced settings, and any global settings configurations available in Jira Cloud with the help of REST API call. Hi everyone, welcome to raigurkul.com. Myself Deepak Rai, and today we'll show you REST API call for Jira Cloud. If you don't know how to get endpoints from Jira instance, feel free to refer my previous video as well as authentications protocol. I will include the video link in descriptions which will be helpful for you to quick access. And if you wanted to learn more about Jira, REST API, any Atlassian products, feel free to refer my other playlist. I've also created one detailed Jira project management course on Udemy. If you want, you can also get it from descriptions. The URL is already there. Let's start with this video. Assume we wanted to get applications properties from Jira REST API. First, we will set get, which extract the informations from Jira. We need the endpoints. So I'm going to remove this part. After this, we are going to use application hyphen properties, and that will become our endpoints because we wanted to get informations or extract informations or retrieve informations. We have selected HTTP method get. Click on send and it will get all the properties which is applied to my instance, which considers key values, name, descriptions, and type. Along with this, we can also see Jira clone prefixes, Jira date picker, what is the formats, descriptions, everything. Each and every information is available. If you want, you can even see gadget color, name, as well as the different colors which is applied. Along with this, if we want, even we can see separator, background color, highlighted color, everything is here. Each and every setting available for you. If you have any specific ID, you can also add ID related informations where we can add ID, and after that we'll define the ID details. We can see these links are also generated. If I wanted advanced settings, I can press forward slash and here I'll mention advanced settings. Again, we'll use get method and click on send. It will give me all the advanced settings like ID, key value, date time picker format, which is in JavaScript. Then we can also see cloning, other clones value. Along with this, we also have Jira issue actions order. These informations are listed here, links, sortings, and everything. In advanced settings tabs also, we can see each and every informations what we are looking for. Consider a scenario where you're looking for color codes of any particular priority or severity fields. We can also get it from here. After this, if I wanted to just extract global configurations, it means which is applied to my entire organizations, I have to just write here configurations, and that's it. We have to click on send command and we'll get these details available very quickly. Question for you is how you're going to use this REST API calls. Do you have any specific scenarios or any examples which you wanted to try it out? I would like to see any hot examples in the comment sections. Feel free to add in the comments. If you have visited this channel first time, feel free to hit like and subscribe the channel. And for further updates, don't forget to press bell icon. So whenever I will upload a new video, it will get notified to you. Let's see the results of global configuration settings. This is my global configuration settings which is applied. Voting enabled. Yes, it is true. watching enabled true, unassigned issues allowed true, subtask enabled true, linking enabled, time tracking, attachment enabled, time tracking configurations, working hours per day, then the working hours per day week, time format, our default unit. These all are global configurations, which is a part of global configuration setting in Jira REST API. That's how we can get any informations very quickly with the help of REST API call. And whenever you want it to use these values, we can always get through REST API calls and utilize it into any enterprise based applications. All from this video. If you have any specific questions, scenarios, or feedback, feel free to add in the comment sections. Or if you have not found any video which you are looking for on my channel, feel free to add in the comments. We'll try to come up with video on your particular topic. But important is I wanted to see common scenario which others are also looking. The more comments I can see in the comment sections, it will be easy for me to take a decisions which topics we can create first so that it will be beneficial for all of us. Or if you know any other REST API calls on configuration settings, add the endpoints in the configurations which will be helpful for other viewer as well. That's all from this video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you think so this will be useful, don't forget to share within your circle. Your one click might help others. That's all from today. Thank you for watching.